I believe I have my 200 on. Can't read the damn numbers.
You count clicks? Or do you have your dial registered?
I think I got my dial registered.
Okay, are you ready in the pits? Line to pit, line to pit. It's good, Ross.
Looked like you were still on the right side, Todd.
Really?
No, your elevation is good. Your elevation's right on.
So I think I might be not as smooth on the trigger as I should be.
All right. Do you want to do it again?
I'm gonna, yeah, please. And I'm gonna take one off.
Okay.
One off.
Russ.
All right. You ready to load?
Roger that.
Load and be ready. Get hits, guys. Don't shoot them fast. Shoot them good. Targets are up.
Felt good. Felt centered. Ow!
You might have caught.
I kind of like it back here.
Nice and quiet.
Yeah.
So the wind is kind of scraping.
So Mark, do you ever shoot with your sunglasses on?
No.
It's hard with one eye.
Okay, you guys ready? All right, you can pull them down. We're going to run a 2-shot series for these guys. 2 shots, so pull them down after 2 shots. Remember, guys, I want good shots, not fast shots. Let's break them good. Load and be ready. There we go.
look good, Serge.
Loaded, be ready. Second one looked a little bit right?
Second shot might have been a little high, Serge, but it was right on
We'll wait and
wind.
see. I might not have been right over your muzzle either.
That was a little left.
It's funny, from here those targets look like they're about 50 feet in front of them when you're looking through the sky.
Yeah, they look awfully big.
Yeah, they look huge.
Okay, pull those down, clean them up. We'll get ready for a two-shot string. Two shots in successive order after the targets go up.
What was that again?
Okay, each shooter on the left and the right target will fire 2 shots in succession. So after I say, loaded, be ready, you count to like 5 to 10 and then run the targets up and then wait for 2 shots to come in. And then wait for me to say, pull the targets down and mark them, please.
Are you recording this?
Loaded, be ready! Well, he's running those up kind of quick. Both look good.
Just Kurt left.
Yep. Kurt is going to be the orphan shooter.
You already got plenty of footage in.
Loaded, be ready. Mark, were you seeing it boil? Just when they shot before?
I'm not picking up much for Mirage.
Okay. Jay, are you seeing anything?
I'm not picking the Mirage up either.
one for sure. I think the first one might have been to the right a little. Load and be
Windage.
ready.
Windage was 0.
There's your target, Barry. That looks good. Second one looked a little bit higher. I think they're both hits though. You came a minute left. Yeah. Load and be ready.
You're out the left side again, Mark. Second one looked better.
Good shot, Jay. Second one broke out to the right, Jay. You call it?
They both should have been, based on the sights, they should have been in black, meaning I had good holds on. One
Are
was
you
just
holding
off
center?
slightly,
Or 6 o'clock?
for windage.
Your bullets aren't loose, are they, Mark?
No, I didn't let you load for me this time.
You want to do some more? Or
I might
good?
cry.
2 more? All right. Load and be ready. Target. Good, Todd. That looked good. Those look pretty good right at top. Load and be ready. Those are good, Mark.
Felt good. All right, Kurt, it's
Surge.
mid-body, just left the center.
It's a hit.
It's a hit, it's a good solid hit, just below the belt, slightly left the center.
That's where I called it.
Oh yeah, I've read about it.
Okay, one more.
Use kind of a rifle within
Load and be ready.
Broke out to the right.
Okay, yeah, I didn't see the trace. I'm not sure what they're not running these targets in sync, together for some reason.
Yeah.
You're expecting an awful lot.
Load and be ready.
You guys think we're a Perry or something?
We're trying to simulate, man.
You sure make better doors than windows.
Coming from the biggest door of all,
My sister-in-law calls me itty bitty.
How's her eyesight?
I wonder. I want 15 more just like that.
And I went back from my one click right at 5 I went back to 0, and that's where I'm at. So
There's little or no wind out there.
I
at the
think what I
moment.
want to do is for my 500-yard 0 there, Kurt. Nothing. Erase the one right that I had on it.
Okay. Yeah, they couldn't find a hole, Jay. Load and be ready. Target.
Looks like who's on the right side or the left side?
Jay is on the left, I think.
Jay looks like he got 2 or 3, and Ross looked like he got a bunch. Looks like Ross missed 2. I don't know. I see 5 for sure.
Oh, God, did I laugh. It's folded up.
Load and be ready.
Miles an hour behind us. Something went wrong. But yeah, it's kind of straight behind us.
Favor left, Mark. Both get them all off.
Lesson learned.